want to add this container over here, that we can see that it has a gray background, we simply have to click over here in order to add the container, or from the structure over here. And now we have the container settings over here, the style settings over here, and the advanced settings over here. By staying to layout, we have the container layout over here, the content width, the width of the content, the minimum height, the direction of the items that it has inside the container, the justifying of the content, and the alignment of the elements. And we also have the gap between the elements. By going to style, we can see the settings for the background. We can have the color from over here. We can also add an image from over here, like so. Then we have some settings for the image, like image resolution, position, attachment, if wanted to repeat or not, and of course the display size. Okay, by going to background overlay, we can have an overlay if we want to, like a solid color like so, the opacity from over here, or a gradient like so, changing the color from over here, like so. We can also have a border if we want to, the border type from over here, the width from over here, color from over here. We can also use global colors from over here, border radius from over here, and the yellow that we see over here, it's actually a box shadow. So by clicking over here, we can see the color over here. So we can change it like so. We can change the horizontal distance, the vertical distance, the blur, and the spread. And we also have shape divider for the top and for the bottom. We have color over here, height, flip, invert, and bring to front. Same settings for the bottom as well. And for the advanced settings, we can see that we have a padding set to pixel, and those are the settings that are made for the padding. Top, bottom, right, and left.